there, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert crafting wire into a knitted I-cord. So I have created my I-cord that I'm going to load onto my wire project. So I will start by separating this middle piece here where the bee crosses over. And I'm only doing this just so I can load my knitted I-cord onto my wire easily. So I'm going to insert and just take your time and just slowly bring it onto the wire, twisting gently and pulling and just inching it until it's all the way on. Load my yarn needle and go under each of these loops here. There's 4 of them, so you can secure that end. And tie off and just hide the end. And shape this a little better. And you can go one step a little further. And secure these together with a little piece of yarn that matches, and this as well. And then just shape until you like the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Happy crocheting!